Hello everyone, this is Bhumika from Indian Crafts and Weaves. Today I'll be showcasing a few jewel pieces in SLA, that is silver look-alike jewelry. These are our last pieces, so we have been giving these today at takeaway prices. You can simply note the code and the rate that has been mentioned for the pieces. I'll be showing you the pieces one by one. The quality is really good, very durable, and these pieces are famously called as replica, silver look-alike. So one by one I'm showing you the pieces, and you need to take the screenshot of that piece and send me on my WhatsApp number. I'll be mentioning the WhatsApp number in the description, and after getting the screenshot, you need to make the payment to get your order booked. Okay, now today I'm showing you one by one the pieces that I have. The first one I have is code 1. This is the earring. As you can see, the Mahadev name has been engraved on it. This is in GS. This is German silver. And this piece, this jhumka, it's very lightweight. It is at 150. It's code number 1. The second earring that I have is of silver look-alike, the replica. It's priced at 320, code number 2. I hope it is clear to you, the design is clear to you and it's not getting blurred. Code number 3 is the another trending earring from SLA, that is silver look-alike. It has small pearls. This is how it is. Very trendy piece. It's at 399. Then we have code number 4, the replica earring. Again, a beautiful earring in round shape with pearls. I hope it's clear, it's not getting blurred. This is at 400. Next we have is code 5. We have a beautiful earring again in SLA with ruby in combination with the diamonds that you can see. It's not of course AD, but the stones with the big pearls encircling it. It's really beautiful piece, a unique one. This is code number 5 at 399. I can show you if we can get a closer view of this. This is how it looks. Okay, next that I have is code number 6. I have another earring in SLA, that is a silver look-alike. Again, a unique design. With 2 peacock motifs. This is priced at 390. Those who are interested, please take the screenshot of the pieces that I am taking. I am showing you one by one, and then you need to send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp number that I have mentioned, and then further I can process your order. All other information that you need can be given there when you connect with me on the WhatsApp. This is code number 8. And now we have a unique neck piece in SLA, silver look-alike. You can see the pendant. With the beads, and this is the earring. Very beautiful neck piece. This is code number 8. It is priced at 1150. Usually these sets in the market in SLA, you'll be getting approximately at 1300 to 1500, not less than that. If you're going in combination for this, like the silver, the replica part along with the beads, the pearls. Sorry, I've missed one earring, that is code 7. I'll be showing you that first now. This is another SLA earring. Again a unique design. This is code 7. It's at 390. This was code 8. The neck piece, the set with earrings that I showed you, that is 1150. Next I have is code 9. I have a choker, very beautiful choker in ruby. A very simple, sober piece with big studs with ruby. It's really a very simple and an elegant piece. This is at 1000. It is code number 9. The last one that I have is again a beautiful neck piece, a long one. It's with the beads and a very beautiful pendant with 2 elephants in the design. And this is the earring, a beautiful earring with stones and pearls, black and white. This is how it is. This is code number 10 and it is priced at 1250. In real, these pieces, when you have it in your hand, they're really beautiful. You'll be happy to have them. One more thing that I have for you people is, on buy of any of these pieces, especially when you're buying any of the set, the neck piece and the earrings, that is code number 8, code number 9 and code number 10. If you go for a buy of any of these, you'll be getting a free gift from my side. Once again, I'll show you the pieces. You can note down and take the screenshot. This is a jhumka with a Mahadev name engraved on it. It is in GS, that's 150, code number 1. Code number 2 is an SLA earring at 320, code number 2. I hope you all are taking the screenshots. This is code number 3. It's at 399. This is code number 4. Again an SLA earring, a beautiful earring at 400. This is code number 5 at 399. This is code number 6 at 390. Code number 7 again at 390. Code number 8 is a neck piece at 1150. Code number 9 is a beautiful choker with studs at 1000. And this is code number 10, a long neck piece in SLA. Code number 10, 1250 is the price. As I said, on buy of any of the neck pieces, any of the 3 neck pieces, you'll be given a free gift along with that. So that's all for now from my side. I'll be coming up with the new pieces again. We are about to restock few pieces and also coming up with few new designs. I would request all of you to like my page Indian Crafts and Weaves on Facebook and Indian Crafts and Insta handle. Please follow us, like us and support us. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.